I cut off that other video by accident, but you can catch the one that you missed in the description area. So like I said, we're finishing this up. Polish and wax did a full detail inside and out on this car here. If you look at the other video, you can see the interior of the car also too. And I wanted to show you their classic here in a second. I will. And it's usually two of us that come out. It took us, we're on our, let's see, it's 5th hour now, so it's a little after 2, which is normal. And here's the classic. Super beautiful car. So I'll be doing this one again next year. He has me come out once a year and I do both of his cars. I think they call this a roadster. So next year I'll take some more pictures. Be outside though. And when you're on the World Wide Web, put in Port Angeles-Sequim first. Do the same for Facebook and YouTube. There's 2 YouTube channels. And give us a call or text us. You guys have a great day.